Good morning. Welcome back to my almost world famous YouTube channel. We're getting there. We're going to go over a quick review of what's going to be on the test today. This is very similar as to what we've done before in the past, where I draw off questions that we have done in class. I put them on the test. The vocabulary that we've gone over will be on the test. Kind of same thing that was on your review yesterday. So let's go over some quick things. So angle measures, a straight angle. Or it's a straight line. What's the measure of a circle? A circle is a full 360 degrees. If you do half of it, it's going to give you 180 degrees. Or this would just be a straight angle. Right angle. What's the easiest way to identify a right angle? Can have full 90 degrees. Here's your right angle. Complementary. What does a complementary angle add up to? Right, we have, say there's an angle of 40 degrees and an angle of 50 degrees. That, if you add them together, would give you 90 degrees. So a complementary angle is 90 degrees. What about a supplementary angle? So, just like the straight angle, supplementary would be, say we have an angle of 100 degrees and an angle of 80 degrees. You add these together, you're going to get 180 degrees. Now, how to identify different angles, from a vertical to adjacent or neither possibly. So if you look at this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have to find angle 1 and angle 2. So we have angle 1, angle 2. Are these opposite of each other? Are they right next to each other or adjacent? Or neither? So if you look, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent of each other. So if you look for angle number 8 and angle number 4. So we find angle 8 and angle 4. Are these right next to each other? Nope. So we look, are they opposite of each other? Yes, they are. So they're vertical of each other. The same exact angle measurement. What about angle number 7 and angle 5? So we have angle 7 and angle 5. Are these right next to each other? Not right next to each other. Are they opposite of each other? They're close, but they're not opposite of each other, so that's going to be a neither. And the last thing we'll go over today, how to find x. So we know that a triangle equals 180 degrees. So we're given one measurement of 17 degrees. All right, how do we identify another measurement in here? If you look, we have a right angle here, so plus, what's a right angle? 90 degrees. And this triangle always equals how many degrees? 180 degrees. All right. So we take 17 plus 90. What does that give us? 107. 180. Subtract 107 from both sides, and you end up with 73 degrees. So if we want to check this to make sure our answer comes out right, we can take 17 plus 73 plus 90, and this should equal 180 degrees. So 7, 3, there'd be 10, carry our 1, 9 plus 7 is 16, plus 1, 17 plus 1 is 18. So we end up with 180 degrees. I'll release the test in a couple minutes. It's fairly straightforward to exactly what we just did, and if you did the review and you had no issues, well, absolutely no issues taking this test. If you need to, make sure you go back, look through the notes quickly. You guys will do fine. And remember, Super Bowl 16, the 49ers defeated the Bengals 26-21 for their first ever Super Bowl victory.